Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to explore the delightful world of biryani, a mouth-watering aromatic rice dish with spices and meat. So, let's dive right in. Biryani is a popular dish in South Asia, especially in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. It's a flavorful dish made with aromatic rice, spices, and meat, usually chicken, mutton, or beef. This dish is a true fusion of flavors, combining the richness of spices with the tender meat and the fluffy rice. To make this scrumptious dish, you'll need the following ingredients: basmati rice, meat of your choice, chicken, mutton, or beef, onions, saffron, cilantro, green chilies, tomato, snow. Let's get cooking. 1. Start by marinating the meat in a mixture of spices, yogurt, and lemon juice. 2. Cook the meat in a pan until it's tender and browned. 3. In a separate pan, cook the rice until it's almost done. 4. Layer the rice and meat in a pot, alternating between the two. 5. Top the dish with saffron, cilantro, green chilies, and tomatoes. 6. Cover the pot and cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. 7. Garnish with more cilantro and serve hot. And there you have it, a delicious plate of biryani. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that it inspires you to try out this amazing dish. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!